Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, I am going to show you how do you fix ChatGPT not available in your country. So let's start. Now, the trick here is to register a phone number from a country that ChatGPT is available. So to do this, you would need an app called On Phone. So you can search this from App Store or from Google Store. Now, when you open On Phone, you can tap on Get New Number. Select a country for your new number. Now, for this example, let's use United States. Now, it is going to show you a list of phone numbers from United States that you can use. You can choose one and tap on Get This Number. Once you've done that, use this number to register to ChatGPT and it should fix your issue. So, I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.